Hello friends, my name is Pramod Singh Negi and I am creating a learning series on Excel. In this, I will cover on one topic in each video and I will try to describe it in easiest way so that you can learn it without any difficulty. So let's begin. Today I am going to discuss about references. So about reference, we will discuss what is reference, type of references, where we can use it, and we will do some examples. We exercise, right? So firstly, what is reference? So reference, while doing some calculation or doing some operation in Excel, when we are referring one cell from the other cell, it is called reference. So like I am adding two numbers here, for example 1 in E3 and F in F2. I am adding these two numbers, E3 plus F3. So I am referring in G3, I am referring E3 and F3 cells. So this is called reference, right? So the second question comes in. So the second question comes here, the type of references. So there are two type of references, although there are three, but majorly we are discussing about two reference types. One is relative and second one is absolute. Relative and absolute. So what is relative reference? In this type of reference, in relative reference, in this type of reference, the rows and column reference automatically changes when we copy formula from one cell to another, and by default Excel creates relative reference, right? So we will try to learn this through one example. Okay, so here I have one series, then I'm creating one more. Okay, now I'm adding it. Okay, so if I check this formula here, I have dragged it down, right? From here, let me show it to you. So I'm dragging it down. Okay, so let's check the formula. So in every cell is referring the corresponding cells. I have written here H5 plus G5, and automatically when I have dragged it down, the Excel changed the reference. Okay, so this is called relative reference. Now I'm coming to the second point, absolute reference. Okay, so this is the series I have, and I want to add 1000 in it. 1000. Okay, so in this I want to make 1000 as constant and change the reference of G, column G. So what I'll do, I will make it absolute. So you can see that the reference for the 1000 has not changed because I have made it absolute, and the reference for G column changed when I have copied the formula from one place to another. So the first one is my absolute reference and second one is relative reference. So what is absolute reference? In this, the reference doesn't change. It use dollar symbol to fix the row or the column, so that whenever we want to fix, so that if we drag the formula or copy the formula from one place to another, it doesn't change the cell reference. So whenever we want to fix any row or column, just put dollar symbol before it. Okay, so I said that we have to fix the row or column. So for this reference, if I want to fix the row, what I'll do, I have to put dollar before the row. Okay, so when I'm dragging it down, so my row is fixed, it is 4, right? But when I'm dragging it on right side, my column reference is getting changed. Okay, if I want to fix my row column and I want to change my row, then what I'll do, I put dollar symbol before my column. So here you can see that now my rows reference is getting changed. Okay, and my column reference is static. Now I'll do some exercise. So I have some salesmen. There are 5 salesmen in my team and their corresponding sale. Okay, so based on their sales, I have fixed some commission for them, and based on their commission, I'm giving them some amount. So through the relative reference, I'm doing this. Okay, so each time my reference for one row is changing, the corresponding row reference is changing in the other cell as well. Now if I am fixing the commission rate, I am giving 20% for everyone, what I will do, I will make my this cell reference number as absolute. Okay, just pressing F4 or put dollar symbol manually. So if I'll drag it down, although the cell reference changed, but the commission rate is fixed. Let's see one more example. Now if I want to get the total sale of each employee, what I'll do, I will write a formula is equal to this plus this plus this plus. So I got the sale of A employee. Now if I want to get it for every employee, I will drag it down and it will give me the sale of each employee, right? So you can see here the reference is automatically changing, which is called relative reference. Now if for this sale I want to give, on the total sale I want to give 20% commission to each employee, what I'll do, I will write a formula which is relative reference and multiply by 20%, which I'll give as a absolute reference. Okay, I had put dollar over there, So I'm not changing the column. Okay, so what I can do, I can remove it from here because I'm fixing only the row. Okay, now I'm dragging it down, and here you can see I'm getting the commission over the total sale of e-employee, and the commission rate is fixed. Okay, now it's exercise time. I'm giving you one question, please try to solve it out, and if you are not able to solve it out, in the next video I will definitely try to solve it out for you. Okay, so here it is, and it is very good exercise. If you do it, definitely you will completely learn this very easily. So here I'm writing the counting. Okay, so if I want to write the 3 table, 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, it is going in the correct way, but if I'm dragging it on right side, it is not giving me the correct picture, right? So write the formula in such a way so that if I drag it downward or rightward, it should give me the correct picture. Okay, so this is exercise for you, and this is all for today. Please give your comment or suggestion in the comment box, and yes, if you have any Excel related problem, then please share it with me and I'll try to solve it out for you. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye for now.